Hello everyone, my name is Soroush and at here we're going to learn how to make a mold as 2 parts or 3 parts and so on. Okay, let's say we have a button. We have it. We have to make it cross surface. Remember it. Because when we need to optimize it, we need it to be a cross surface. Okay, let's go to making a mold. First, I copy it and I go to assembly. I paste it here. It's not important how it's preset. Alright, I need insert more at here. It's better to click no because when you click at no, the pellets will be the same as the first one, which is a button here. Okay, when I need one more, sorry. I need one more. Okay. First I go here and I select this palette. Then I make it because it doesn't need symmetry. Okay, I change view and I say this one to the start of it. I can make the door, the palette, the door palette at the bottom. I will make it later. I will show you how to do it in my future videos. Alright, I will coincidence and I put dimensions. This one will be 320 and this will be 160. Alright. It's not important. 80. Okay. We need this toolbar. If it wasn't, if you didn't use it, you can cut it here, like click on here or here. It's Boolean operation. And with remove, I say remove this from this one. I hide my button. Alright. First I go to product again, for I don't make a mistake. Then I go to my other part body. The reason I said at my old videos that don't click on those other two is because, as I said, because it will make it harder for you access to the tree in your design. Like, for example, if you remember, the sketch was down off the pad, but at here, sketch is here. Alright. At here, I go to here again, and I just project here. I project it. Just like that. I pad it. The same dimension. Other side. I hide it for I can access easily. Once again, remove it from this one. I hide my button. If you hide and you see there is still a face here, you will use remove lamp. And use it of it is not that hard, because when you the face will be like just a line at here, it will be like a thickness, it will be removed, but there will be a face. It will ask you what face to remove. You will select it. Alright, it's ready. I go to my product. As you can see, it's the mode of this. Now you want it at 3 parts, okay? It was make it as 2, so I don't have dimensions, I mean right directions for 3, but let's do it, why not? I did save them, you can save with them with heat, but with this, or you can save them fully with save as, and so on. Alright, once again I copy the button, I go to assembly. Now I want it, I want my mode with 3. What I mean by 3 I will show you. At here, and here, and at here. Alright, as I said, for 3 I don't have right dimensions, I will just teach you how to do it. Okay, just like how we did, we make it like this one coincidence with this line. Alright, and this one coincidence with this, and this dimension be something random. As I said, I don't have right dimensions. Alright, I will pad it. I will use remove this from this one. Once again, I will project it, for I don't need to make a new one exactly the same. 80 and reverse direction. Alright, and I hide it for I can access. Remove this one from this. Just like that, it's not that hard. I hope you learn good, and I hope I describe it fully for you. Alright, now now we have this too, but the down of it is still remain. Alright, I go to product again, I go to part body. At here I don't select the plates. At here I select this surface. and I will 3D project all of it. I mean, not like this. Are the lines on the outlines. Alright, and we need to pad it. It's not a problem. I hide one for I can access, and I say once again remove this from this one. Okay, as you can see I have more of it fully. As 3 or 2. As I said 2, I was have the dimension of 2. But I did 3 too because I wasn't you to learn. I hope it was useful for you and thanks for watching.